Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how we can make level design or prototyping using Unreal Engine geometry tool. And that's a fine tool for making prototype, making block, making a level without knowledge about 3D modeling software. So whoever don't know about or don't use any 3D modeling software, they can use this geometry and make a beautiful prototyping level. So for that I extend my level. I am making it a little bigger so I can use my geometry tool in this extract space. So select both wall and I just scale it like that. So I have lot of space now, so I can experiment my geometry tool here. I drag my player starter here, so my player start from here. I just lower my camera movement so it move smoothly or compared to the level. So I just add all the boxes or feature here. We have box, we have cone, we have cylinder, we have curve steer, we have linear steer, we have spiral steer, we have sphere. So one by one I am adding all. So this is the feature Unreal Engine give us in their geometry tool, and you can use it, you can modify the feature of it. So now I am selecting the box brush. So you see there is a lot of option, lots of option. If I select it, I select the object, don't select the face, just select the whole object, and now you see I have value and in xyz. I have other function, I have brush type. So if I increase in x-axis, it is increasing in x-axis. You can see the x-axis is red, y-axis is green, and z-axis is blue. So modify the function and make it bigger, smaller, or like that, whatever you prefer. So Control Z will undo your work. There is a lot of option in here. There is a additive, there is a subtractive, there is a convert to static mesh. After you make all of your prototyping, you can convert it. It will be help for your project or level. It will decrease the level size if you use the static mesh. So I create a static mesh. Now we see the mesh is saved here. I can drag and drop. So I cannot change any feature now. It is considered now a static mesh. So I Control Z and back to my previous position. So alter and mouse left button and drag, and it will create another box. So if I collide with the subtractive, it will delete the additive, and if I go, I mean, it will result delete in my additive if I collide with the subtractive. That's the feature. This is how you can create or modify your make door window place for any model you create with this. I'll show you later. If I selected the cone, I can increase and decrease its radius size. I can make be the slides. It will make detail of it. It will make round. Otherwise, it will not be that smooth. Now select the cylinder. I can do the slide with the cylinder also. I can outer radius it. There is a curve stair. I can add the radius, the height, the width, the angle, number of space, first step, I can modify all of it. I can angle it like that. It will be 360 degree. Look kind of funnier. So this is the curve stair. You can add the number of step, add the height, same feature as previous stair. You can make it mirror, counterclockwise, additive and subtractive, same feature. Now I have linear stair, same thing. I can make it taller, I can add more step. Just use this feature as your own and you will understand. Modify it as your preference. Now it's a spiral stair, radius, weight, height, thickness. This is the thickness. We can add number of step. We can add more step like that. You see how awesome is that? I like the feature, by the way. There is a spare. We can add more spare, more threshold. It will look like detail. So modify the feature as your own and use it whatever you prefer. This is the box. Now I want to make a little room. I'm using the box. So I make it like a wall, like this. I wanna drag my starter, player starter here. I wanna my player start from here. So height should be like that. This side is fine, I believe. I don't have a space in there, so drag the box to for in here, so we have more space. I think that is perfect for a room. So alter and mouse left button, drag, and it will duplicate and make four side. Rotate it like 90 degree. So make it like organized way, so it will fit. I think it's fine. Now drag the backward like in here and duplicate it also, block all the side. Yes, I think it's fine. Now I will use a subtract function and it will delete the wall, so decrease the y-axis. I just want to make it like a door space, make it in the middle. Duplicate it and I just wanna make window. Decrease the size. I think this is perfect for the window. Alter and duplicate, make another window. I can use this cylinder and make a fountain, water fountain, or whatever you prefer to call it. I'm just making a very simple house and water fountain, but you can make a whole level with it, depend on you. So if I uh, lower the sides, it will look like triangle, and if you detail it, it will look like fine cylinder. So subtract, I duplicate it and subtract with a bigger one, and it will create like that. Now we can add water material here, and it will look like a fountain, simple fountain. Add the material here, that's the water, so it will look like fine. Now I just wanna add a roof. I duplicate the wall and rotate it like that, and I just cover the roof. I just add a stair in here, so it will look like we can go to the roof with the stair. We can use this function, it will make it like that, fine stair. So I want to scale it down. I want that stair also. I will add it with my little room, so we can use this stair and go to the roof with it also. Just move it and align with my little room. Add it. So we can add it like that. We can go to the roof with this. This should be fine, I believe. Now this is the little room we made. We can go inside, we can go outside, we can see the fountain, we can go to the stair and go top of the roof. This is how you can make your own prototype and whatever you prefer. You can also add material. If you go to the starter content, you can see the material. We have brick material. If I add brick in here, it will look like nice, it will look like realistic. I'm adding brick here, here. So using this starter content material, you can make very beautiful environment. I'm adding roof for it, it look like nice. So use all the material and change as you prefer. It's up to you how you wanna make your own level. Using Unreal Engine and using geometry tools will give you a lot of feature to make your own prototype modeling or your own level modeling. So this is for today's tutorial. See you in next tutorial.